The untold story, before Genesis, what existed before creation? Hey, here's the big question. What was there before Genesis? Before the Bible even starts, what existed? Most of us are taught that before "let there be light," there was absolutely nothing. No space, no time, just emptiness. But ancient myths and banned texts tell a different story, and it's fascinating. In the ancient Babylonian Enuma Elish, before creation, there wasn't a void, there was chaos. Two primordial beings, Apsu and Tiamat, represented the chaotic forces. Creation wasn't a peaceful beginning, but rather born out of chaos, a swirling force waiting to be shaped. Even in Genesis, we're introduced to the Spirit of God hovering over the waters. But wait, what waters? We enter the story mid-scene, as if there was already a wild force God had to tame, similar to the chaos in Enuma Elish. Now, here's where it gets wild. Some Gnostic texts, banned by early religious authorities, suggest that God wasn't the first creator, but part of a complex cosmic story. They describe an older, more abstract existence, where Sophia, wisdom itself, existed before Yahweh, who's part of a larger cosmic hierarchy. Could it be that Genesis isn't the beginning of all, but just a chapter? Now let's shift to the creation of humanity. Adam is said to be the first human, but there are some massive gaps in that story. Have you heard of Lilith? According to Jewish mysticism, she was created before Eve as Adam's first wife, but refused to submit to him, ultimately leaving Eden. This challenges everything. Was there a history before Adam? And here's something that blows modern science and religious belief into the same conversation. The Big Bang suggests time didn't exist before creation. Scientists propose a quantum vacuum, full of potential energy, chaos in its own way, waiting to unfold. So was Adam the first, or just the first of a new, controlled humanity? Ancient texts talk of pre-Adamite humans, advanced beings in a different era of consciousness. It's a world filled with possibility, and there's more. Ancient civilizations like the Sumerians spoke of the Anunnaki, gods who created early human hybrids as workers. Did ancient civilizations possess advanced knowledge, or was humanity's story guided by something else entirely? If time didn't exist before creation, could it mean that creation itself wasn't bound by cause and effect? Could creation be a moment of pure spontaneity, a cosmic event unlike anything we can comprehend? Throughout ancient stories, the theme of forbidden knowledge appears. Think of Prometheus, the Greek titan, who defied the gods to give humans fire and was punished for it. Or the serpent in Eden, who introduced Adam and Eve to knowledge that was kept from them. Across history, those who dared to reveal knowledge have faced serious consequences. So could it be that knowledge was intentionally kept from humanity to maintain control? Could the chaos before creation be more than just a lack of order? Maybe Genesis is just one chapter in a far greater story, a story about control, forbidden knowledge, and what might have come before. If this deep dive got you thinking, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's uncover these mysteries together.